Around the world, rooftops, deserts, and even remote villages are now glimmering with blue-tinted solar panels. They're everywhere, signifying symbols of hope, innovation, and a future powered by clean energy. But beyond the shiny surface lies a bigger question: are solar panels truly sustainable? Do they help the planet long-term? Or is there more to the story than most people realize? In about 10 minutes, I will be breaking down everything from how solar panels are made, to how they work, to their environmental impact, myths, recycling challenges, solutions, and the massive shift happening across Africa and the world. No jargon. No confusing science terms. Just clear explanations for anyone curious about renewable energy, green living, or off-grid solar solutions. Why the world needs solar. Let's start with the big picture. Why do solar matters? Every generation depends on energy. It powers our homes, healthcare, transport, communications, and industries. But the world's traditional sources such as coal, oil, natural gas come with a cost. Air pollution, rising climate-related disasters, and volatile fuel prices. Millions of households globally struggle with electricity costs or unreliable grids, especially in Africa. And yet, above us, every day, shines the largest power plant ever created, the sun. The amount of sunlight that hits Earth in a single hour could power the entire world for an entire year. That is why scientists, nations, and everyday homeowners see solar as one of the most powerful tools for sustainable living. Countries like China, India, Germany, the United States, South Africa, Kenya, and Morocco are investing heavily because solar is scalable. It works on a tiny home or an entire city. Solar energy isn't just a technology. It's a global shift toward cleaner, safer, more reliable power. How solar panels work. So, how exactly does a solar panel turn sunlight into electricity? Think of a solar panel as a silent, motionless energy sponge. Inside each panel are solar cells, usually made from silicon, the same material used in computer chips. Silicon is abundant, stable, and recyclable. When sunlight, made of tiny particles called photons, hits the panel, the energy shakes electrons in the silicon. This movement creates usable electric current. No fuel. No noise. No smoke. No moving parts. Just light electricity. This is why solar is ideal for homes, farms, NGOs, schools, off-grid villages, DIY solar users, remote facilities, emergency backup systems. It is dependable. It is easy to maintain. And it works anywhere the sun shines, even in cooler regions. The true sustainability score. To understand sustainability, we must look beyond the panel on your roof. We need to examine its entire life cycle. 1. Raw materials and manufacturing. Most solar panels use silicon, aluminum, tempered glass, and small amounts of metals. Mining and processing do use energy, but modern factories increasingly rely on renewable energy, reducing environmental impact. In fact, many newer manufacturing plants have cut carbon emissions by over 70% compared to a decade ago. 2. Transport and installation. Panels are lightweight and easy to ship. Installation does not require heavy machinery or excavation, unlike fossil fuel plants that require drilling, pipelines, or large industrial setups. 3. 25 to 30 years of use. Here is where the magic happens. After the initial manufacturing footprint, a solar panel produces decades of clean, emission-free electricity. Most panels repay the energy used to make them within 1 to 4 years, depending on sunlight levels. The remaining 20+ years are pure environmental benefit. 4. End of life and recycling. Old panels don't just become waste. They can be dismantled, recycled, repurposed, or reinstalled for low-power applications. In short, solar panels, across their entire life cycle, have one of the lowest environmental footprints among all energy systems, such as wind, hydro, and nuclear. Myths versus facts. Solar energy is clean, but the internet is full of misinformation. Let's clear up the biggest myths. Myth 1. Solar panels are toxic and harmful. Fact. Most modern panels are built from stable materials and pose no danger during their lifetime. Recycling systems are improving quickly. Myth 2. Solar doesn't work in cloudy or cold places. Fact. Some of the world's top solar countries, like Germany, the UK, and Japan, are not very sunny. Solar works with daylight, not heat. In fact, panels often perform better in cool temperatures. Myth 3. Solar is too expensive. Fact. Solar prices have dropped by over 80% in 10 years. Today, solar is one of the cheapest sources of electricity on Earth. Myth 4. Solar panels don't last long. Fact. Panels typically last 25 to 30 years, and many keep generating usable power even longer. Myth 5. Solar requires expensive batteries. Fact. Batteries are optional. Grid-tied systems work without them, and battery prices continue to drop globally. Solar power in Africa, the transformation. This video will not be complete without talking of African solar power transformation. Africa has some of the highest solar potential in the world. Many regions receive over 300 days of sunlight a year, a natural advantage for clean power. Solar is already transforming life in many countries. In Kenya, solar minigrids power villages far from national grids. In Nigeria, solar helps homes and businesses reduce generator costs. In South Africa, solar is helping reduce pressure on the grid. In Morocco, one of the world's largest solar farms is feeding clean energy into the national system. Across East Africa, affordable solar kits provide lighting for millions of households. For many communities, solar means light for students, power for clinics, energy for irrigation, reliable electricity for small businesses, freedom from expensive fuel. In Africa, solar is not just green. It is economic empowerment. What are its environmental benefits? The green advantage. Solar panels are one of the strongest tools in the fight for a cleaner planet. Here's what they reduce. Co-emissions, air pollution, fossil fuel extraction, water usage. Solar energy needs almost no water. Noise pollution, grid instability, peak energy demand pressures. A single home system can reduce co-emissions by 50 to 100 tons over its lifetime. Solar farms can replace entire fossil power plants. And unlike coal or gas plants, solar systems don't require mining, drilling, fuel transport, or combustion. They just quietly convert sunlight into clean power. Solar energy supports cleaner skies, healthier cities, and more sustainable communities. What happens after 30 years? Recycling and the future. So what happens when a solar panel reaches the end of its life? Panels can be recycled for glass, aluminum, silicon, and metals. Repurposed for low-energy uses like solar water heating. Upcycled into training equipment for schools. Used as spare parts for older systems. By 2030, the recycled materials from old solar panels could supply a major portion of the materials needed to build new panels, creating a circular solar economy. We are moving toward a future where solar panels are not just sustainable but renewable themselves. The future is solar. When you look at the complete picture, the life cycle, the environmental benefits, the affordability, and the long-term impact, solar panels stand out as one of the most sustainable solutions humanity has ever created. Solar energy is more than a trend. It's a turning point. A shift toward independence, resilience, and environmental responsibility. And whether you're in Africa, Europe, Asia, or anywhere else in the world, solar empowers you to live cleaner, save money, and protect the planet for the next generation. The sun rises every day. And with solar power, so does our future. If this video helped you to understand solar sustainability more clearly, give the video a like, share it with someone interested in renewable energy, and subscribe for more content on green living, off-grid solar, and sustainable innovation. Together, we can inspire a cleaner world powered by the sun.